Hi boys and girls, welcome to Math Lesson 1. We are going to finish up multiplication and division today. So we are looking at page 101. Looks like this, should be the front of your packet. And on the back it has one of those thinking caps where we have to solve the puzzle. So let's start with the front. It's the fact families for multiplication and division. Number 7 gives us 6 times 3 equals something. So that's 6 groups of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So 6 times 3 is 18, but now they give us blanks. Blank times blank equals blank. So it's going to be the turnaround fact of 6 times 3. So it'll be 3 times 6. And we know that 3 groups of 6 is actually the same as 6 groups of 3. It just looks different. 3 groups of 6 is going to be 6, 12, and 18. If I were to draw them over here, 6 groups of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 in each, is going to be 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. But we know that 6 groups of 3 will also be 18, but it's going to look different. 3 groups of 6. So 1, 2, 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 12, 18. So they might look different when I draw them out, but I'll still have the same number in the end. I'll still have 18. Okay, so then they give us the division, and that means we're going to start with the total. So how many is in all of it? 18. And I divided 18 into 6 groups. And how many were in each group? 3. But here, I divided 18 into 3 groups with 6 in each group. So this is the fact family for 6 times 3. 2 multiplications, 2 divisions, but only the numbers 3, 6, and 18. Okay, let's look at number 8. Don't worry if you don't get this completely. You don't have to be able to always write the fact families. All right, let's look at that one. 9 times 4. That's a lot. That's 9 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many in each? 4. So you now have to count by 4s 9 times. And you might want to use your 100 chart I gave you in your packet before Pesach break. Because you're going to go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Now, if you didn't have time to do that, go ahead and pause the video, count by 4s, make sure I'm right, that we're 36, and then restart. Okay, so if I have 9 times 4, the turnaround fact is 4 times 9. It'll still be 36, but it would look like this. Only 4 groups with 9 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's going to be 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. You see it? It's still going to be 36. All right, now division. I'm going to start with the total, 36, and I'm going to divide it into 9 groups. How many were in each group? 4. Then I'll start with 36 and I'll divide it into 4 groups. And there were 9 in each group. All right, looking at numbers 9, 10, and 11. We have to divide items in the story. So I'm going to divide 24 muffins equally among 4 boys. So how many boys are there? 4. That's the same as having 4 groups. Now how many muffins did I have? 24. So I'm going to start by putting 1 in each group until I get to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And it worked out that they got an even amount. My multiplication or my division looks like 24. That's how many muffins I had. Divided into 4 groups, 4 boys. They each got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So can you write this division sentence? And then I'll let you choose if you want to draw or not. You can use my drawing if you want. All right, let's look at number 10. Danny has 27 apples, so that's the total number of apples. And he puts 3 apples on each plate. How many apples will go on each plate? Well, 3 apples on each plate. I don't know how many plates there are. So here's what I have to do this time. I have to put the apples into groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, until I get to 27. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So far I've only used 15 apples. And how many plates do I have? 5. So I have to keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I got to 27. That's how many apples I had. So I had 27 apples and I divided them into 3 for each group. But how many groups did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And the last one. You should write the division sentence. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Don't just tell me 9 plates. Because I told you 9 plates, then you wouldn't be doing any work. All right, the science teacher gives out 40 leaves to her students, and each student gets 4. So she had 40 leaves, and everybody gets 4. I wonder how many people get leaves. So I have to put them into groups of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I'm going to stop. I'm not finished. I only got up to 20. And so far I have 5 groups. You figure out how many groups, how many students will get 4 leaves each. Okay? That's number 11. You might have to pause the video so that you can finish that one. All right, when you're ready, open up the video and let's look at the thinking cap on the back. It says, circle all the numbers that can be exactly divided by 3. And that means that when I'm skip counting by 3, that number comes up. So you might need your 100 chart. And then let's skip count by 3. And then we'll be able to check the chart. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, let's keep going a little longer, 24, 27, 30, that's probably good enough. So now let's look at the chart on your thinking cap. We're going to circle the ones that come up when we count by 3s. 24. Yep. There it is. So circle it on your chart. 12. There it is. Circle it on your chart. 21. There it is. Circle it. 5. 1 3 fits inside 5, but 2 3s make 6. So don't circle the number 5. 13 has a 3, but do I say 13 when I'm skip counting by 3s? I don't. So don't circle 13. 30. All right, so then it says add the digits of each number that you circled. So I circled 24, I circled 12, I'm circling 21, I'm circling 30. You keep circling, but then add all the numbers you circled together. You're going to have to write all that down in that big white space here. And I wonder if the number that you get when you add them all together is a number that you would say when you're skip counting by 3s. It's a tricky puzzle. Bye.